Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a Smartrip card to your Google Wallet. Now the first thing I want you to do is open up your Google Wallet and then just come here at the bottom right and click on this plus icon where it says add to wallet. Okay, click on this and then you'll get a bunch of options, and from here I want you to choose Transit Pass. And of course, you should see Smartrip right here. And if you don't see the Smartrip card, of course, you can come here and just search it up. But since we see this card, we'll just tap on it. And then to add money to Smartrip, before we can add this to our Google Wallet, you can choose your payment method. Okay, so if it's ready there, it's fine. Or you can click on this drop down, add another card or payment method, then enter the amount you would like to add, and then click on continue. And there you go. As you can see, the Smartrip card has been added to Google Wallet with the balance of $4. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.